everyone, let's make some delicious beans porridge, shall we? My name is Onyii and you're welcome to my channel. So here we've got our beans. We'll also be needing our onion, our palm oil, some salt and seasoning cubes, and we'll also be needing pepper. So these are the only ingredients we need to make these delicious beans. Now let's get started. You start by picking your beans, to remove the stones and dirt that comes with beans. After picking the beans, you need to wash the beans thoroughly, okay, to remove dirt from the beans. Now after washing the beans thoroughly, get a clean pot, add the beans to the pot, add some water. The water level should be slightly above the quantity of the beans in the pot. Now put on your stove and put the pot on fire. Now cover the pot and wait for the pot to boil. Once it starts boiling, allow it to boil for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it's time to sieve out the water from the beans. After sieving out the water from the beans, rinse the beans with cold water and then put it back into the pot. Add some clean water to the pot and put the pot back on fire. Once you've done that, cover the pot and allow the beans to boil. So once the beans starts boiling, it's time to add our ingredients, okay? So we start with our onions, and then our salt and seasoning cube, then our pepper, and then our palm oil. After adding the palm oil, cover the pot and allow the water in the beans to dry. Once the water is almost dry, it's time to turn the beans, like you use your spoon and turn everything to mix it together with the ingredients. Once you're done mixing it together, it's time to turn off your stove and your beans is ready. This is really easy and simple, and we didn't use a lot of ingredients, but this was really tasty. You need to try it, okay? So guys, that's all for this video. Give this video a thumbs up. You can also check out my channel for other Nigerian recipes. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comment section, okay? Did you enjoy it? Let me know, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.